This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a brake light bulb on a Nissan Pathfinder. First, gather your tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and in park for safety. You'll find the brake light assembly at the rear of your Pathfinder, typically on the side of the tailgate opening. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your rear hatch to get a clear view of the taillight assembly. You'll typically see 2 or 3 screws holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back and away from the vehicle body to detach it. With the taillight assembly removed, you can now replace the bulb. Locate the specific bulb socket for the brake light. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Then, insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it. Reattach the bulb socket by twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.